Let's look at creating JUnit test suites. If you go to Package Explorer, you can see we have a number of JUnit test cases. We don't want to run them individually, we want to run them together. Even this is what the case in real world. You don't want to run each individual test. You want to create a test suite and run all the tests as part of that suite. Let me copy Indeed site tests and make one more JUnit test case. I'm saying that the name is Indeed tests 02. Then click on OK. Now we have 3 JUnit test classes. Let's create a suite and run these ones. Ideally, in your automation, you don't want to run the test individually. You want to create test suites like smoke suite and regression suite and run them whenever required. We can create JUnit test suites from Eclipse. Eclipse provides that functionality. I can right click on tests package and then say new. From here you need to go to other. Click on other, not any of these menus. You need to click on other. Then go to Java. In Java you can find JUnit. Then click on JUnit test suite. Then click on next. Then it's going to consider that package. This is our package, and from that package it's going to display all the test classes. It is saying that test classes to include in the suite. Then you can select whatever you want. Let's select all, and then let's give the name as regression suite. I can say regression suite. This is the name. Then click on finish. That's it. Our suite is ready. Let me rearrange the code properly. To create a JUnit test suite, you just need these 2 lines of code. You need to use run with annotation and then say suite.class, and then you need to use suite classes annotation, and then in that specify the classes you want to run. You need to say .class, not .java. With comma separated, specify the classes you want to run. You don't need to specify anything in the class. It is just the class name and the braces, and above the class you need to use run with and suite.classes annotations. Our JUnit test suite is ready. Let's run this one. It's going to run those test cases one after one in the order specified. It's going to run Indeed site tests first, then Indeed site test 02, then JUnit test case 1. Let's run this test suite. Okay, it started. It is executing the first test case. It is doing the Indeed job search. Now first test is done. It is executing the second test case. You can see the JUnit results. It is showing all the 3 test cases. This is our first test case, Indeed site test. This is our second test case, Indeed site test 02. Then this is our third test case. In the results at top level, it has used the suite name. Then we have individual test cases. Inside each test case, we have individual tests. It has also given the execution time at each level, at test level, at test class level, and at suite level. You can see all the times here. It has given times at different levels. The whole suite, it has taken around 49 seconds. You can see the runs 6 by 6, 1 skipped, and there are 3 tests which are failed. This is how you can create and work with JUnit test suites. It is just using these 2 lines of code. You can create manually as well. I can just say a new class, and then let's give the name as smoke suite. Then click on finish. After that, I can just add these 2 lines of code before the class. Remember that it's before the class, and our suite is ready. Now my smoke suite is ready with these test classes. It's going to run all the tests from those classes in the order specified. You can create a new package for test suites for better separation. I can create a new package like this, new, then package, then say com.mysite.testsuites, then click on finish. I can move test suites to this package. Let's move regression suite. It is just dragging and dropping. Then I can move smoke suite. Now all our tests, they are in one package. All our test suites, they are in other package. This is very clear separation. If you want to execute a test suite, you can go to test suites package and then select whatever test suite you want, and you can run them.